Okay, students, in the last period we discussed about aldehyde and ketone with their IUPAC naming. Now we will learn how aldehyde and ketone are prepared. That means preparation of aldehyde ketone. As you know, both aldehyde and ketone, are carbonyl compound. So both aldehyde and ketone contain a similar group, that is CO, which is called carbonyl group. Now how to prepare these aldehydes and ketone? Consider some preparations of aldehyde and ketone. The first preparation is from alcohol. That is simply oxidation of alcohol. If you consider alcohols are three types: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. Who can say formula of primary alcohol? Anybody? Formula of primary alcohol, that is RCH2OH. Formula of secondary alcohol is RRCHOH, and tertiary alcohol contain three alkyl groups, that is COH. Already you know, in previous chapter, alcohols are three types, such as primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. Now our topic is preparation of aldehyde and ketone. And that is from alcohol. क्या होता है? When primary alcohol oxidize, it form aldehyde. When primary alcohol oxidized, it form aldehyde, and secondary alcohol form ketone. So primary alcohol oxidize to form aldehyde, and secondary alcohol oxidize to form ketone. As you know, K2Cr2O7, what is the name? K2Cr2O7, what is the name? KMnO4, what is the name? KMnO4, potassium permanganate. K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate. All these are good oxidizing agent. So this strong oxidizing agent can oxidize easily the primary and secondary alcohol. Suppose RCH2OH, when it oxidizes KMnO4, or simply take oxygen, that is nascent oxygen, it will convert to RCHO. But when RCHOH, this is secondary alcohol, it oxidizes, it will produce, there are two alkyl groups, so it produces RCOR, that is ketone. Okay, so simply you can notice that primary alcohol oxidize to form aldehyde, secondary alcohol oxidize to form ketone. This is normal preparation of aldehyde ketone from alcohol. Then second one is by dehydrogenation of alcohol. By dehydrogenation of alcohol. In this reaction, vapor of primary alcohol passed over copper. Vapor of primary alcohol passed over copper to form aldehyde, and secondary alcohol form ketone. Same reaction, but in this reaction we have to pass primary alcohol, vapor of primary alcohol over copper. That is same reaction, RCH2OH. Here you have to take copper. That is dehydrogenation reaction, hydrogen will remove. So after removal of hydrogen, your product is RCHO, and from secondary alcohol RCHOH, that is RCOR plus H2. This is by dehydrogenation of alcohol. Next, the important preparation is from alkene. From alkene, name of process is ozonolysis. Name process is ozonolysis. What is the process of ozonolysis? Ozonolysis is the process of addition of ozone. What is ozone? That is O3. In this reaction, aldehyde or ketone form by reaction of ozone with alkene, that is hydrocarbon containing double bond. First, look the reaction carefully. Suppose I take CH2 double bond CH2, and this is an alkene, that is ethene plus O3 ozone. When alkene add with ozone, it will form an ozonide. First, its double bond will break, then it form an ozonide, that is oxygen, CH2, oxygen and CH2. This is called ozonide. This is an addition product. Ozone add with alkene to form an addition product. This happens in presence of CCl4. Okay. Now this ozonide, what to do? Now this ozonide react with zinc or zinc dust. Simply say zinc. Then what happened? Structure of this ozonide will break. How? Like this. This is alkene, this is your ozonide, and this ozonide react with zinc to form, this is H2CO. You can arrange it like HCHO. This is HCHO, again this is HCHO, means 2HCHO plus ZNO. This Zn react with this oxygen to form zinc oxide, ZNO. So it happens in presence of water. It happens in presence of water. Now consider, we take alkene, but our product is only aldehyde. But our topic is preparation of aldehyde and ketone, not only aldehyde, preparation of aldehyde and ketone. Now question is how we found the ketone. The important concept is if carbon atom of carbon, if double bond forming, if double bond forming carbon atom contain, if double bond forming carbon atom contain hydrogen, aldehyde will form. Aldehyde will form, otherwise ketone will form. Listen, this is important reaction. If double bond forming carbon atom, that is our topic is from alkene, preparation of aldehyde and ketone. Alkene means there is a double bond. Listen carefully. If double bond forming carbon atom, if you consider a alkene, obviously there is a double bond between two carbon. Yes or no? If double bond forming carbon atom contain hydrogen, then aldehyde will form, otherwise ketone will form. Means the two carbon which have double bond, if there is hydrogen, your product is aldehyde. If there is no hydrogen, your product is ketone. Now take one other example. CH2, this is CH3. CH3, this is C, double bond, CH2, CH3. What is the name of this compound? What is the name of this compound? 1, 2, this is CH3. CH3, ये C होगा because there are double bond and double bond, 4 bond. Carbon always tetravalent. This is CH2 and this is CH3. What is the name of the compound? This compound is 2-methyl but 2-ene or 2-methyl butene but 2-ene. Now look carefully. There are two carbons. This carbon and this carbon. There is double bond. There is double bond between these two carbon, and this carbon have no hydrogen and this carbon have hydrogen. Sorry, this is CH होगा. It will be CH. It will CH. Okay, it will CH because in left side there are two bonds, in right side there is one bond, so it is CH. So when 2-methyl but 2-ene, you consider in this carbon there is no hydrogen and in this carbon there is one hydrogen. So according to our rule, this will give aldehyde and this will give ketone. Okay, now find how the mechanism. O3, ozone. Okay, it will react with ozone. Then how ozonide will form? This is oxygen, this double bond will break. That means CH3, CH3, this is C, CH3, and in this side that is CH3. Okay, it is CH3. This structure is called ozonide. Now this ozonide react with zinc with water. What happened? Again this ozonide will break. So your first product will be CH3 CO CH3. So first product is CH3 CO CH3 plus second product is CH3 CHO CH3 CHO and last one is ZNO. So in this carbon there is no hydrogen, it will form ketone. In this carbon there is hydrogen, it form aldehyde. So it is clear that in the process of ozonolysis of alkene, if there is hydrogen in the double bond forming carbon atom, if there is hydrogen in the double bond forming carbon atom, this is double bond and this is carbon, there is hydrogen, it will give aldehyde. And if there is no hydrogen in double bond forming carbon atom, it will give ketone. Okay, understand? So these are three important preparations from of aldehyde and ketone from alcohol and alkene. Next period we will learn about again preparation of aldehyde and ketone from alkyne, from haloalkane and from some other chemical compounds. So this reaction, that is preparation of aldehyde ketone from alkene, is important reaction. Revise it again and next period we will read for further. Okay, thank you.